In today's video, I'm going to teach you guide with app.base44.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to export and download your app as a zip file from the Base44 platform and what to expect along the way. First, open the Base44 workspace and go to the specific app you want to download. Make sure you're in the correct project and that it's the version you're ready to export. It helps to close any extra tabs and ensure you're on a stable internet connection so the download completes smoothly. Inside the app's editor, look for the option labeled Export Project as Zip. This is the control that packages your project files into a single archive you can save locally. If you see the option and it's active, you're good to proceed. If it appears unavailable or prompts you about access, don't worry, that's expected behavior. The zip export feature is only available to paid plans. If you're on a free tier, the platform will let you know that you need to upgrade before you can export. This requirement ensures you have the proper entitlements for packaging and downloading the project. When you're ready, click Upgrade to view the paid plans. Take a moment to compare the options so you pick the one that fits your needs, whether you're doing a one-time export or planning ongoing development. Complete the upgrade flow as instructed by the platform. Once your plan is active, close the upgrade window to return to your app. Back in the editor, click Export Project as Zip again. Now that your account has access, the export dialog should proceed without any roadblocks. The system will prepare your project bundle. This can take a moment if your app has a lot of assets or dependencies. When the export is ready, click Download Zip. Your browser will begin saving the file to your default downloads location. Keep an eye on the progress indicator. Larger projects may take longer depending on your connection speed. After the download starts or completes, click Close to dismiss the export dialog and return to the editor. That's all you need to do to download the app. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you don't see the file, check your browser's download manager and confirm that pop-up or download permissions aren't blocked. If storage is tight, free up space before exporting. And once the zip is saved, you can extract it with your operating system's built-in tools or your preferred archive utility. And that's the entire process. Simple, clear, and repeatable whenever you need a fresh copy of your project.